Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert image in Affinity Publisher document. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to insert image into this document. Firstly, go to the tools section and we can see here many tools. We find and select the place tool. Then select this tool and we can see here, go to the file, then we choose our image from file. We can see here many image. You can add an image to this file and click open, then place in this page, then select the move tool. Now we can see we insert our image to this Affinity Publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.